Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My dear brothers and sisters, let me begin by asking you a simple question. Have you ever felt like you are here for a reason? That your life, your struggles, your journey is not random? Today, I want you to understand something very important. Allah has chosen you. Yes, you. This is not a coincidence you face. Every blessing you receive and every step you take has a purpose that Allah alone knows. Sometimes we look at others and think, why them? Why not me? But my dear friend, Allah's wisdom is perfect and He has picked you for a reason far greater than you can imagine. Life will throw challenges at you. You will feel weak. You will question yourself. But remember, it is during these moments that Allah's choice becomes clear. If you feel tested, it is because Allah believes you have the strength to overcome. If you feel left behind, it is because Allah is preparing something extraordinary for you. Brothers and sisters, do not ever underestimate the power of divine selection. No one else can walk your path, face your struggles, or fulfill your destiny in the way Allah has planned for you. Take a moment and reflect. Every difficulty you faced brought you closer to Allah. Every heartbreak, every setback, every moment of despair was shaping you into someone stronger, more patient, more compassionate. And let me remind you, the fact that you are still here, still breathing, still striving, is a proof that Allah has chosen you. So rise with confidence. Step forward with faith. Because when Allah chooses you, no one and nothing can stop His plan for you. And finally, my dear brothers and sisters, I want you to leave today with this thought. You are not a mistake. You are not a coincidence. And your life is not without meaning. Allah has chosen you to make a difference, to spread goodness, to live with purpose, and to leave a legacy that echoes in this world and the next. So embrace your journey, trust His timing, and never ever doubt the power of Allah's choice. Remember, when Allah chooses you, the universe conspires in your favor. Have you ever stopped for a moment and truly reflected on your existence? Have you ever asked yourself, why am I here? Why was I given this life? My dear brothers and sisters, I want you to understand something very profound. Allah has chosen you. Yes, you are not here by accident, and you are not a result of random events. Every breath you take, every heartbeat, every moment of your life has a divine purpose. Sometimes we look around at others and think, why them? Why not me? But the reality is that Allah, in His infinite wisdom, has a plan for each one of us that is perfectly tailored to our abilities, our circumstances, and our potential. Think about this. When Allah chooses someone for a particular path, it is not because they are perfect, but because He knows they have the strength to rise above their trials. You may feel weak at times, you may feel unworthy, you may even question your own abilities. But these moments are precisely the ones that demonstrate that Allah has chosen you for greatness. When life challenges you, it is a sign that Allah sees something in you that others cannot see. Something that is hidden within your heart, waiting to be awakened. Do not dismiss yourself. Do not underestimate the power that lies within you. Imagine if every difficulty you faced was placed there by chance. It would be easy to despair, to feel lost, to believe that life is meaningless. But when you realize that Allah has chosen you, the entire perspective shifts. Every obstacle becomes a stepping stone, every hardship becomes a tool to shape your character, and every failure becomes a lesson that strengthens your faith. You are not here to merely exist. You are here to make a difference, to leave an impact, to fulfill a destiny that no one else can fulfill in your way. And let me ask you another question. How often do we look at our own lives and feel like we are insignificant? Like the world is passing us by while others succeed? My dear friends, this is precisely why it is so important to remember that Allah has chosen you. He has chosen you to experience life in a way that is uniquely yours. He has chosen you to endure, to rise, and to shine. Your journey, with all its ups and downs, is proof of His divine selection. Every moment of doubt, every tear, every sleepless night, and every prayer you make is part of a plan that Allah has written just for you. And here is the most powerful thought: if Allah has chosen you, then no force, no obstacle, and no circumstance can derail the path He has set for you. The doors that close, the people who doubt you, the hardships you face, they are not the end. They are part of a greater design, one that only Allah knows, and it is one that is meant to lead you towards success, growth, and spiritual fulfillment. Have you ever wondered why life sometimes feels so heavy? Why challenges keep coming? And why it seems as if the world is testing you at every step? My dear brothers and sisters, let me tell you something. Every challenge you face is not a punishment, but a test of your strength. Allah does not burden a soul beyond what it can bear, and every difficulty is an opportunity for you to rise, to grow, and to demonstrate the resilience that Allah knows is within you. Think about that for a moment. Every hardship, every obstacle, every trial you encounter is a deliberate moment in your life that has the potential to transform you if you choose to face it with patience and faith. Sometimes when we are in the middle of a storm, it is easy to ask, why me? Why now? But the truth is that the very presence of that storm is proof that Allah sees in you the ability to endure. He is not testing you because you are weak, but because He knows that you are capable of emerging stronger, wiser, and more resilient than ever before. Every setback is a reminder that you are not ordinary. You are chosen for challenges that are meant to shape you, refine you, and prepare you for a greater purpose. Consider this: the greatest figures in history, the prophets, the companions, and even the righteous people you admire faced tremendous trials. Yet they did not surrender to despair. They did not allow the weight of their challenges to define them. Instead, they embraced their difficulties as opportunities to demonstrate their faith, to strengthen their character, and to draw closer to Allah. And you, my dear friend, are no different. Your struggles are not random. They are carefully placed by Allah to awaken the strength that lies dormant within you. Every time life pushes you to the edge, every time a door closes unexpectedly, remember that Allah is not punishing you, He is preparing you. He is preparing you to rise above mediocrity, to face adversity with courage, and to become a person of substance, patience, and perseverance. The challenges you face are not obstacles meant to stop you. They are tools designed to elevate you. And here is a truth that you must never forget: the greater the challenge, the greater the potential for reward, the greater the difficulty, the closer you are to a triumph that Allah alone can orchestrate. So when life feels overwhelming, when you feel weary or broken, do not despair. Lift your head and remind yourself that Allah has entrusted you with trials because He believes in your ability to endure them. He has chosen you to navigate these challenges and emerge stronger, wiser, and closer to Him than ever before. Every difficulty is an opportunity for growth, and every test is a chance to prove your resilience, faith, and unwavering trust in the One who knows you better than anyone else. Have you ever stopped and truly reflected on your own journey? Have you ever compared yourself to others and thought, why is their life easier than mine? Why do they seem to achieve so much while I struggle? My dear brothers and sisters, this is exactly why it is so important to understand that your journey is unique. No one else has been given the same experiences, the same trials, the same opportunities, or the same challenges that you have. Allah has crafted your path with infinite wisdom, and it is perfectly designed for you, not for anyone else. The very fact that you are here, in this moment, living your story, means that Allah has entrusted you with a journey that only you can navigate. Think about this: the roads we walk are not chosen randomly. Every twist, every turn, every high and low is carefully placed to mold us into the person we are destined to become. You may look at someone else's life and feel envious, or you may see their success and think it was easier for them to achieve it. But remember, no one else carries your experiences, no one else has faced your struggles, and no one else has been given the unique combination of skills, challenges, and opportunities that Allah has placed in your hands. Comparing yourself to others is like comparing a seed to a tree that has already grown. Each grows in its own time, in its own way, with its own trials to face. And here is the reality: your unique journey comes with a purpose. The obstacles you encounter, the moments of doubt, and even the setbacks you experience are all part of a divine design to shape your character and prepare you for the greatness that lies ahead. Allah does not make mistakes, and He does not place anyone on a path they are not equipped to handle. You have everything within you to walk your journey with patience, courage, and faith. You have the strength to turn every trial into a lesson, every setback into a stepping stone, and every moment of difficulty into an opportunity to grow closer to Allah. Remember, the fact that your path is unique also means that your success will be unique. You are not here to live someone else's life, and you are not here to follow the path of others blindly. Your journey is yours, and the achievements, the growth, and the impact you make are tailored to you. Embrace it with confidence. Walk your path with faith, knowing that every step you take, every challenge you overcome, and every decision you make is part of a plan that Allah has designed specifically for you. So when life seems uncertain, when you feel lost, or when you doubt yourself, remind yourself that no one else can live your journey, and no one else can fulfill your purpose. Allah has chosen your path with wisdom, and He has equipped you with everything you need to navigate it successfully. Your journey is unique, and it is extraordinary, and the world needs you to embrace it fully. Have you ever felt that life is unfair, that no matter how hard you try, things just don't seem to go your way? My dear brothers and sisters, I want you to understand something very important. There is purpose in every struggle. Every setback, every heartbreak, every moment of despair is not meaningless. These experiences are shaping you, refining your character, and preparing you for the person Allah wants you to become. You see, life is not about avoiding difficulties. It is about learning from them, growing through them, and using them as stepping stones toward your greater destiny. Think about this for a moment. The strongest and most successful people you admire did not reach their position without facing trials. The prophets, the companions, and the righteous all experienced hardship. Prophet Yusuf, the peace be upon him, faced betrayal, false accusations, and imprisonment, yet through his patience and trust in Allah, he rose to a position of immense influence and respect. And this is a clear lesson for us. The difficulties you encounter are not signs of weakness. They are opportunities to cultivate resilience, patience, and faith. Every struggle is a test, and every test is an opportunity to elevate yourself. Sometimes when challenges come, it is easy to feel defeated, to ask, why me? But the truth is that these challenges are tailored specifically for you. Allah knows exactly what you need to grow, and He places obstacles in your path to help you discover the strength, wisdom, and perseverance that lie within you. Your heartbreak teaches compassion. Your failures teach humility. Your setbacks teach patience. Every difficulty carries a hidden lesson, and if you choose to see it, it will become a source of empowerment rather than despair. Let me ask you this: have you ever looked back at a moment of struggle and realized that it taught you something you could not have learned otherwise? Perhaps it made you stronger, more patient, or more understanding. Perhaps it brought you closer to Allah. That is the power of purpose in every struggle. No hardship is wasted, no tear is meaningless, and no obstacle is placed in your life without reason. Allah's wisdom is beyond our comprehension, and His plans are perfect. So, when life challenges you, do not be discouraged. Embrace the difficulties as part of your growth. Let every setback remind you that Allah is preparing you for something greater. Let every moment of despair become a spark that ignites your determination to rise, to strive, and to persevere. Your struggles are shaping you into someone stronger, wiser, and more capable of fulfilling the unique purpose that Allah has destined for you. They are not obstacles to stop you. They are tools to elevate you, to refine your soul, and to bring you closer to your ultimate potential. Have you ever felt frustrated when things don't happen according to your timeline? Have you ever wondered why certain doors remain closed, why opportunities seem delayed, or why life feels slower than you expected? My dear brothers and sisters, this is precisely why it is so important to trust in Allah's timing. You are not a coincidence, and your life is not random. Every moment, every event, and every circumstance is part of a divine plan that is perfectly orchestrated by Allah. When something doesn't happen immediately, it does not mean that it will never happen. It simply means that Allah's timing is perfect, and He knows exactly when and how to place the pieces of your life into the perfect alignment. Think about this: if Allah were to grant every desire immediately, without preparation, without growth, and without wisdom, would you truly be ready to handle the blessings? Sometimes delays are not denials. They are periods of preparation. They are times when Allah is equipping you with patience, strengthening your faith, and teaching you lessons that you will need to fully appreciate and benefit from what is coming. So when a door closes, when a plan does not work out, or when life seems uncertain, remind yourself that Allah's timing is far superior to your own understanding. Consider the prophets and the righteous people who came before us. Prophet Musa, peace be upon him, waited for many years before he was able to fulfill his mission. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, endured immense patience before the message of Islam was fully established. Every great moment in history came after preparation, patience, and trust in Allah. Your own life is no different. Every delay, every detour, and every pause is part of a design that is meant to guide you toward the best outcomes. Outcomes that you may not yet be able to see or comprehend. And here is a truth that you must never forget: trusting in Allah's timing does not mean inaction. It means moving forward with faith, making efforts, and taking the right steps while believing that the results are in Allah's hands. It means having patience when life seems slow, gratitude when things are going well, and perseverance when things are hard. The universe is not random, and your journey is not accidental. Every step you take, every decision you make, and every struggle you endure is leading you exactly where you are meant to be. So when you feel impatient, when you feel like giving up, or when you doubt your path, remind yourself that Allah's timing is perfect. Trust that the doors that have not yet opened are simply waiting for the right moment. Trust that what is meant for you will reach you, and what is not meant for you will never harm you. Your life is unfolding exactly as Allah intended. And when you align your efforts with patience, faith, and trust, you will witness the beauty of His plan manifest in ways beyond your imagination.